Hi, I'm Cameron McGregor, International Sales Manager for Sawgrass Asia Pacific. Today we're displaying at Visual Impact Printex here in Sydney, May 13th. The most exciting part of our presentation today is that Nova Sublimation, who's been a reseller of Sawgrass for the last 14 years, is showcasing our first Virtuoso co-branded Ricoh Sawgrass printer for the first time here in Australia. Sublimation, for people that aren't aware, allows you to produce prints onto metal panels such as Chromolux, coasters, stubby holders, coffee mugs, literally unlimited what the blanks are, providing it has that polymer coating. The SG400, as I said, is made in conjunction with Ricoh, and the initial testing has been fantastic. More vibrant colours than what we've had previously. Even though Sawgrass has been a benchmark and the leader in this field, it has now surpassed anyone else by a fair way. But we've got more pigments in the inks to ensure that we get more stronger colours and we get a better yield than what we have in the past. One of the fears of sublimation has been it's quite an expensive way to produce print, when in fact it isn't. It's quite a low, and as you can see by the quality of the prints on the wall, gives you the best results of any other print here, I think, today. Combined with the Sawgrass printer, we have, and we might go over right into the printer. So some of the changes you'll see in comparison to the Ricoh 3110, which this model here, the A4 printer, replaces, is the SG400, and the big brother, the SG800, replaces the Ricoh 7100. The changes externally has been the new casing and the Sawgrass logo going onto the print. Internally, there's been some improvements to the paper handling to improve the vertical banding and the horizontal banding. We've been able to eliminate that, and as I said, the colour gamuts has been the most impressive. Here we have the current Ricoh 3110, which is again the leading benchmark product in the market at the moment, and then we put it up against a more vibrant SG400 printed with our Sublijet high definition inks. The inks in the new SG400 cannot be interchanged with the Ricoh 3110, and vice versa, the Ricoh 3110 inks will not fit the new Sawgrass SG400. We go back to the basics of sublimation. Print onto sublimation paper, which has a coating inside, which allows most of the ink to be then released onto the blank substrate. Sublimation is printed through the desktop printer onto this paper and then transferred onto under a heat press for a certain time and a certain temperature to get these finished results. We have example of some of the different substrates. Trophy and awards is a big part of the sublimation market. Coasters, personalisation of gifts. That's where the strong point is for dye sublimation. Combined with not only the revolutionary printer, which comes with a Sawgrass back warranty, no longer do you have to go, is it a Ricoh problem, is it a Sawgrass problem? It's now Sawgrass will handle the whole lot. Combined with that, we've got our new Creative Studio online design software. So for people out there that are new to the industry and aren't sure on how to design software very well, CorelDRAW, Photoshop has been the most commonly used in the past. Creative Studio allows you to use design software without having an extra cost. This is free as part of the package of the Virtuoso system. CorelDRAW, Photoshop, fantastic products, great design software, but are expensive and do take weeks to months to fully understand. Within the first 5 minutes, you'll be able to understand exactly what to do with Creative Studio and be able to chop and change images over as best as you need.
So for exercise number 5,
Nova Sublimation, as part of our Visual Impact Printex stand, have got some show specials on at the moment, and bundling up both A3 printers and A4 printers, combined with both standalone print systems, or they've got them as a turnkey solution that comes with heat press, mug press, a box of coffee mugs, etc.